What's up, guys? So I've never really done a vlogging thing, but I decided to give it a shot. Went out and got a new camera. I got the new Sony Rx100V. It's a little smaller, more portable, less obvious when you're hanging it around, running around doing some vlogging. It shoots 4 full K and it's supposed to have really good autofocus. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing, get a little closer look at it, check it out. Alright, so here's the camera. Comes in a nice small little box here. Ordered off of Amazon. Comes nice and fast. Got all the basic manuals, one-touch guide, all the shenanigans. So here's the camera. Pretty small, fit in your hand. It's got a nice little screen, flips up all the way around so you can do a little selfie mode action. It's also got a little viewfinder there, and it's got a little built-in flash, pops up. It's supposed to be pretty good for photos too. Also in the box, comes with a power plug, battery, charging cable, a little lanyard if you want to use that type of thing, on little things to connect the lanyard to. So pretty basic things. I knew I was going to go through a lot of batteries, so I also ordered the Wasabi Power batteries. So it's a little dual battery pack thing. The charging, because of 2 batteries, and it's got a dual charger, so you can charge them a little faster. Good for on the go. It was like $30 or something. It's perfect. So the batteries here goes right in the bottom. Wrong way. Pops in there. Slap an SD card in there, and you're ready to go. With all the normal basic setups, get in your date and time, English. I'm in California. We have daylight saving times here. Pretty explanatory there. You're able to Bluetooth and send things to your phone, so it shows you that. Basic setup for that, and there you can kind of see does a nice little screen. I was told one of the features to turn on the even faster focus has to be turned on, so I'm gonna find that in the settings here. Drive speed there, so you put it on a fast, and the track sensor, put it on high. So I'm gonna go to the quality of photos now. Bunch of different options. You got standard, fine, extra fine, raw, JPEG. I originally came from photography background, so I'm going with the raw and JPEG. One is nice to be able to view, and the other one's nicer to be able to work on it. And for video, you have 60, 30, 24 frames, 120 frames per second. So I got the basic settings all set up. See, you can flip the screen around here. Easy to see yourself, focus yourself in, easy to hold. I also got this small little bendy pod thing to slap on there, make it a little easier to set up, stand up on things and hold, get a little better angle. Next I'm going to put the I ordered a set of the little wind noise things. I'm going to slap those bad boys on. Alright, so I got the mic over covers here. Just a whole bunch of these little small little fluffy things. Comes with a bunch of little circles of tape. You're supposed to put it on the stick on the bottom, stick over the whole thing. Well, I still want my flash to work and my viewfinder to work, so I'm just gonna stick a little bit of tape here and a little bit of tape here, a little bit of tape there, and a little more here, and then trim down one of the little fluffy things and cover it up. Just trim a little narrow piece to match up with that size there. There you go, let's line it up real good. Let's see if this little viewfinder still opens up. There you go. Still works. Try the flash. Flash still opens up. Perfect. And just trim another little piece there. Get rid of the little extra fluffies there. And stick it on there. And there you go. Mine look like a little mini mohawk and a little fluff ball there. I'll do a little trim it a little bit there just to make it look a little nicer. But other than that, it's set.